What if creating perfectly matched wooden threads, nuts and bolts, was as simple as entering a few numbers? With CCAM Pro from Legacy Woodworking Machinery, complex CNC toolpaths are simplified into a streamlined, project-based workflow. No complicated programming, no guesswork, just enter your parameters, and CCAM Pro generates the G-code for you. In this example, we're creating matching internal and external threads, a bolt and a nut, within a single project. First, we move to the turning center. We select the bolt and define two simple toolpaths, one to turn the blank to a clean 2-inch diameter, and another to cut precise right-hand threads along the length of the part at 4 threads per inch. Using a 90-degree V-bit, the system handles all the calculations and complexity for you. Now here's where it gets powerful. CCAM Pro automatically calculates the exact hole size needed for the matching nut. In this case, 1.75 inches. With one click, your G-code is saved to the G-code vault, fully organized and ready to go. Next, we'll select the horizontal table to program the internal threads for the nut. Again, just 2 toolpaths, one to cut the hole, and the second to machine the internal threads using the same 4 threads per inch. Now generate the code, save it to the vault, and your entire project is complete. When you click on Manage G-code, you'll see that every file is neatly organized, making it easy to manage even complex builds. Now you can copy all your files for the complete project to a USB drive, load them into your CNC, and start cutting. Perfect fit every time. That's the power of CCAM Pro, turning complex woodworking projects into a simple, repeatable process.